Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by locking the project goal and aspect ratio because every decision follows that. Once chosen, create a new project and organize folders: footage, comps, assets, renders. Import layered PSDs and vector AI files to preserve editability, then convert fonts to outlines or install them for consistency. Next, set your composition settings to target frame rate and resolution. Make sure to choose the correct color profile. Finally, establish a quick naming convention for layers so you can iterate fast. You now craft the core motion by blocking major poses. Place keyframes at the start, middle, and end to get timing right. Once done, refine with easing and the graph editor so movement accelerates and settles naturally. Use null objects and parenting to rig groups of elements, and pre-compose repeating sequences to keep the timeline readable. Make sure to work in seconds and frames, scrub continuously, and toggle motion blur to preview realism. Finally, iterate on silhouettes and contrast until the action reads clearly. You finish by polishing timing, color, and export settings. First, run a low-res test render to verify speed and composition, then apply subtle color grading and film grain to unify elements. Once satisfied, render a high-quality master using a lossless or high bitrate codec and create delivery formats. If playback stutters or renders fail, purge cache, increase RAM allocation, or render heavy comps as image sequences to avoid crashes. Keep one troubleshooting tip: isolate the problematic comp and replace complex effects with proxies to find the cause.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.